So I just wanted to pause a little bit here and understand a little bit about the fundamentals behind Actiondesk. So as you may have seen in the previous videos of this tutorial course, a lot of logic are very similar to what you have in Google Sheets, in Excel. So you should not be lost. Now, I think one main difference is the fact that we have what we call tables. So we mix pure spreadsheet part, which is here outside of a table, where it works extremely similarly to Excel and Google Sheets. So the main unit, the atomic unit, is the cell. So you have a cell, you can reference to that cell. It's pretty straightforward. The way you use formulas is very similar. Now, when you're in the table, the main unit is not the cell anymore; it's the column, and that has a lot of consequences. First, you cannot reference a cell between a table. That's not possible. As soon as you will enter in the table, you'll see that will force you, if I may say, to select a column. That means a few things. When you add a composite column, as we've seen, and you write the formula, it will automatically apply the same formula over the whole column. And you won't be able to, let's say if you wanted to change this specific formula, but keep the current formula on the above cells, that's not something that's possible. Whenever you edit here, if I change year by months here, it will apply to the whole column. And similarly, if you write a counters and refer reference to, let's say I want to count all the records for Brazil, you see that I can only select the whole country column. I cannot select only a part of this. Right. So I just wanted to take a little break and make sure that's clear. If you want to operate logic on cells, you'll have to do that outside of the table. And if you want to operate logic on columns, you'll have to be in the table.